Drive-in pallet rack is a high-density storage solution ideal for large volumes of the same or limited number of SKUs. Drive-in maximizes both warehouse space and pallet density by eliminating the need for multiple aisles. Forklift operators drive into the rack structure from a single access point to load and extract pallets using last-in, first-out inventory rotation. Pallets are placed on heavy-duty rails that run the full depth of the system. Due to the high level of vehicle and rack interaction, drive-in is far more susceptible to impact damage versus other storage types. This makes proper operator training critical to damage prevention and efficient system performance. The first step is to ensure all operators are OSHA trained. Next, make sure to always use standardized quality pallets. Check for broken or splintered runners and do not place damaged pallets in the lane. Lastly, check that the load weight is under the rated system capacity. Here are the steps to properly load a drive-in system. Square the forklift with the opening of the lane and lift the pallet 3 to 4 inches above the rails. Be careful not to raise the pallet too high as to strike the load on the rails above. Next, slowly drive to the last open pallet position and carefully lower the pallet onto the rails. After loading the pallet, slowly back out of the system. Then repeat the process to fill all remaining pallet locations. Note, if the pallet is not placed squarely on the rails or gets hung up on the rack, you must re-enter the system and secure the pallet on the forklift. Then center it within the lane and lower it into place onto the rails. A common and dangerous pallet loading error is seen when the forklift operator attempts to push the pallet load along the drive-in rails. This will put stress on the system and may cause the pallet to shift and fall through the rails, resulting in product and component damage, or even worse, worker injury. Never push or pull the pallet along the drive-in rails. The process is reversed to retrieve a pallet. Enter the drive-in lane with the forklift outriggers elevated to the height of the pallet to be removed. Once the pallet is safely secured, again, raise it approximately 3 to 4 inches above the rail and slowly back out of the lane. Careful consideration must be given to the turning radius of the forklift in the aisle to prevent rack impact and damage. If you have any questions regarding drive-in applications, operation, or maintenance, call the Apex team today. Our storage and material handling experts are here to help.